7 big savings hidden in benefits of green roof restoration. In the search to find more sustainable living solutions, building owners and homeowners often overlook one crucial aspect of their buildings: the roof. Yet, eco-friendly green roof restoration not only dramatically impacts the environment, but also offers substantial benefits for your wallet and well-being. In this episode, I'll jump into 7 compelling advantages of choosing eco-friendly methods for roof restoration, demonstrating why it's a smart, impactful choice for forward-thinking building owners. Number 1. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most immediate benefits of eco-friendly roof restoration is improved energy efficiency. Traditional roofing materials often absorb and retain heat, particularly during the summer months, leading to higher air conditioning costs. Eco-friendly roofs, however, are designed to reflect solar energy, not absorb it. Materials like cool roofing systems can reduce your building's surface temperatures by up to 50 degrees during peak summer, significantly lowering your energy bills.